Hello everyone, welcome to Where to Park episode 6. For today I'll be showing you where to park at Adelphi Mall, which is nearby City Hall MRT. There is only one entrance and one exit for this car park, and it can be found by using this GPS address. The parking rate here is $1.02 per entry, and there is no grace period. Do also note that the car park is closed from 3 AM to 6 AM daily. Look out for this car park sign on the left and turn left. Once past the gantry, head down the ramp and follow the arrows leading to basement 3. Just before the ramp leading down to basement 3, you will see the season parking lots on the left. For those interested, the season parking rate here is $61.15 for every 3 months. If you don't have season parking, you will have to head down the ramp to basement 5 to park. Once down in basement 5, head straight to the end and then turn right. You'll see many lots in this corner here. The closest lift is here beside staircase 5A. To use the lift, you will have to press the floor number in the panel. If you're heading to Funan, press B followed by 1 in the panel. Once in basement 1, take the left door and keep walking straight past the food stores. Keep walking straight until you see the escalators leading down to Funan. Funan is straight ahead, but you can also turn right to head towards City Hall MRT and CityLink Mall. If you're heading to the street level, take the same lift to level 1 instead by pressing 1. Once at level 1, turn right and head out the doors. You will find Funan and Peninsula Plaza on the left, and on the right you will find the Padang and National Gallery. To head back to the parking area from level 1, look out for this lift lobby that leads to the car park. Key in B followed by 5 into the panel and head to lift D. To find your way back from basement 1, walk straight down past the food area. Then, look out for the passenger/fireman lift sign that points to staircase 5A. Then key in B followed by 5 into the panel. The lift will then take you down back to the lots in basement 5. There are also more lots further down here if the other area is too crowded. And around the corner, there is also another row of lots as well. As for the exit, just follow the way out sign and it will take you back to the same entrance as earlier. Turning left here will take you towards Funan and Peninsula Plaza, whereas turning right will take you towards City Hall and Suntec City. Well, that's all for this car park. Hope you enjoyed the guide, and as always, happy riding.